you helping moms? Cleaning and sweeping everywhere? You should help mommies. And today we are here with a story. And you know what is the name of the story? The Naughty Broom. Yes, the broom again. Cleaning is very important. Without wasting much of time, let's begin the story. Once upon a time, there was a lady. And she was very particular about everything being neat and clean. उसको सब कुछ साफ चाहिए, everything in its place and everything spick and span. She was very famous for it. One morning, when she entered the kitchen, she was aghast. She was shocked. उसको विश्वास नहीं हुआ. Seeing the condition of the kitchen, it was so dirty. There was dirt on the floor of the kitchen and dust everywhere. Oh God, she got restless. So she took out the broom, which was in a cupboard. Broom कहाँ था? एक cupboard में था, एक कोने में. उसने उसको वहाँ से निकाला and started sweeping busily. Swoosh, 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 swoosh. She swept all the dirt and dust into a dustpan. And what? There was something else also which came into the dustpan. She did not know. उसके किचन में ना बहुत सारे elves रहते थे. आपको पता है elf कौन होता है? Elves are very tiny creatures with magical powers. वो बहुत छोटे होते हैं और दिखते भी नहीं हैं. पर और वो बहुत मिस्चीवियस होते हैं. They are very naughty. और उनको कोई परेशान करे फिर तो they are going to trouble and do magic spell on them. So unknowingly the broom from a corner swept the king elf into the dustpan. और पता है वो सब elves क्या कर रहे थे? They were having a party. वो लोग डांस कर रहे थे, सिंगिंग कर रहे थे, खाना खा रहे थे. और उसके बीच में suddenly king elf is swept into the dustpan और उसको किचन डोर से बाहर ले गए and threw him in the big dustbin. The lady came back home. वो वापस आ गई. उसने ब्रूम को वापस रख दिया. But in the dustbin, what was happening? The king elf, who was only this much, he was coughing and spluttering in rage. Because of the dust he was coughing. और वो slowly dustbin को climb किया और वहाँ से बाहर आया. He was very angry. He dusted his clothes and went inside the kitchen. जैसे ही वो किचन में एंटर हुआ, all the elves were looking at the king and they controlled their laughter. Because the king elf was looking very funny. वो डस्टबिन में चला गया था ना, तो जब वो बाहर निकला, उसके दोनों कान में बनाना पील्स थे, ऐसे लटक रहे थे इयररिंग्स के जैसे, एंड ब्रिंजल का टॉप उसके सर पे था like a crown, and tomato का peel was on his nose. He was looking like a clown. और वो बहुत ही फनी लग रहा था सही में. और सारे एल्स उसको देख के अपनी हंसी को रोक रहे थे. उनको बहुत हंसी आ रही थी. पर किंग के सामने हंस सकते हैं क्या? No. Who was it? The king elf shouted. I will surely punish him. All the elves got scared. सब डर गए. और they said, it was the broom. It was the broom. उन्होंने डर से बोला broom ने किया. हाँ. Broom, I will cast a magic spell. और वो broom जहाँ था वहाँ गया. Broom कहाँ था बताओ? It was in the cupboard. और elves कैसे होते हैं? Big की small? Small. तो king elf jumped into the cupboard from a keyhole. जहाँ से हम चाबी लगाते हैं ना, वहाँ से वो अंदर गया. Because he is so tiny. He saw the broom and he started the spell. Bubble, bubble, gobble, gobble. Go and cause a lot of trouble. Bubble, bubble, gobble, gobble. Go and cause a lot of trouble. Bubble, bubble, gubble, gubble. Go and cause a lot of trouble. And zap! The magic happened. Broom stood in attention. और उसकी जो bristles थे ना, जहाँ से झाड़ू मारते, वो ऐसे ऐसे हिलने लगे, क्विवर करने लगे. And he sprang into the kitchen. और वो जल्दी से गया किचन डोर के बाहर. उसने डस्टबिन को गिराया and swish, swish, swish. He swept all the rubbish into the kitchen. उसने cans, chocolate wrapper, fruits, vegetable peels, bottles, क्या तो गंदगी थी और वो पूरी किचन में लेके आ गया. Now the kitchen was looking like a big dustbin. The broom went back into the cupboard and closed it. And shh, everything was quiet until morning. And in the morning, oh my God! Screamed the lady when she saw the miserable condition of the kitchen. इतना गंदा किचन कैसे हो गया? उसने जल्दी से broom लिया. She swept the dust, the dirt, the rubbish, everything back into the dustpan. सब कुछ उसने dustpan में sweep किया और big वाले dustbin में डाल दिया. And she went back into the house.